Leaptree Optimize is a comprehensive customer experience quality assurance management app that's 100% native to Salesforce. With customizable reports and dashboards, you can easily analyze phone calls, emails, and more to identify areas that require attention. Significantly reduce time spent on QA by building dynamic scorecards from templates, easily auto-answer questions linked to a case, clone scorecards, and add dependency rules. Efficiently generate and manage scorecard schedules with search criteria connected to specific Salesforce object fields. Save costs by optimizing the workflow of managers. Leaptree Optimize automatically detects specific keywords such as unsatisfied or cancel during voice calls, chats, and emails. Increase your evaluation capacity while promoting consistency and fairness by using standardized scorecard markings to evaluate responses. Effortlessly and precisely conduct assessments against, for example, an agent's customer interaction, all directly from the Salesforce case. Dynamically identify an agent's skill gaps to promote proactive professional development for elevated customer support standards. Empower agents to improve their performance with personalized recommendations and keep the entire team motivated through gamification elements like leaderboards and badges. Streamline your entire QA program with Leaptree Optimize.